Hello, snack lovers. Welcome to Blog and Good Food. Today, we are indulging in a delightful journey of healthy sweet snack ideas. Whether you have a sweet tooth or just want a guilt free treat, we have got you covered. Let's kick things off with sweet and nutty creations that are sure to satisfy your cravings. First up, almond butter energy bites, the perfect combination of sweet and nutritious. Take your taste buds on a journey with this trail mix featuring dried fruits and dark chocolate. Now let's explore the world of fruity goodness with these healthy sweet snacks. Cool down with the frozen banana pops, a refreshing treat for kids and adults alike. Indulge in a berry bliss yogurt parfait, a delightful blend of sweetness and creaminess. Sweet potatoes aren't just for dinner. Check out these inventive sweet potato snacks. Transform your breakfast with sweet potato toast, a nutritious and naturally sweet choice. Craving a crunchy snack? Baked sweet potato chips are the way to go. Get ready to satisfy your cravings with these nutty and sweet delights. Elevate your snacking game with honey roasted nuts, a perfect balance of sweet and savory. Treat yourself to nut butter stuffed dates, a delightful combination of creamy and sweet. Calling all chocolate lovers, discover these healthy sweet snacks with a chocolatey twist. Indulge in the decadence of chocolate dipped strawberries, a classic treat made healthier. Boost your energy with chocolate energy bites, a sweet and satisfying pick me up. Craving dessert without the guilt? Try these satisfying alternatives that won't wreck your healthy eating goals. Dive into a Greek yogurt berry parfait, a guilt-free dessert packed with protein and flavor. Satisfy your chocolate cravings with chocolate avocado mousse, rich, creamy, and surprisingly healthy. Sometimes you just can't decide between sweet and savory. Why not have both with these delectable combos? Elevate your snacking game with apple nachos, a mix of sweet apples and savory toppings. Dip into something extraordinary with sweet potato hummus, the perfect blend of sweet and savory. That wraps up our journey through these delightful and healthy sweet snack ideas. Find detailed recipes on blogandgoodfood.com and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and food inspiration. Until next time, stay sweet and snack smart.